Hello, and welcome to another video. For us to find the value of n from this problem, we need a basic knowledge of complex numbers, of indices, and of logarithm. Okay, and the value of n from this problem is n is equal to the natural log of 7 all over 2 multiplied by the natural log of I plus the natural log of 7. So without wasting so much time, let's get right into the video. Now, this can be rewritten as minus 1 times 7 raised to the power of n is equal to 7. Okay, and according to one of the laws of indices, that if we have a thing like a and times b raised to the power of n, this n affects the both entities in this bracket. So it can be written as a raised to the power of n multiplied by b raised to the power of n. So with that being said, we can further write this to have minus 1 raised to the power of n multiplied by 7 raised to the power of n is equal to 7. Okay, and let me take us back to the knowledge we had in complex numbers. All right, that the square root of minus 1 is equal to I. That is, I is equal to the square root of minus 1. Okay, if we square both sides, we would have that I squared is equal to minus 1. In other words, minus 1 is the same thing as I squared. Okay, so minus 1 here can be replaced with I squared. So we have I squared raised to the power of n multiplied by 7 raised to the power of n is equal to 7. So we can further have a thing like I raised to the power of 2n multiplied by 7n is equal to 7. So at this point, we can take the log of both sides. Okay, we can take the log of both sides. So we have a thing like the natural log of I raised to the power of 2n multiplied by 7n is equal to the natural log of 7. And let me also take us back to the knowledge of logarithm. Okay, that if we have log AB, it is the same thing as having log A plus log B. Okay, log AB is the same thing as log A plus log B. So that we can have a thing like the natural log of I raised to the power of 2n plus the natural log of 7 raised to the power of n is equal to the natural log of 7. And from this point, we can have 2n, the power is being brought behind. So we have 2n log I plus the power here, in this case, comes behind. So we have n, the natural log of 7 is equal to the natural log of 7. Okay, now at this point, I think we can factor out n. Okay, so we have n bracket 2 ln I plus n plus the natural log of 7 is equal to the natural log of 7. Okay, now at this point, we can make n the subject of the formula. So we have that n is equal to the natural log of 7 all over 2 times the natural log of I plus the natural log of 7. Okay, and this is the value of n. All right, so with this, we've come to the end of today's video, and I'll see you again in the next video. Take care.